Welcome to my video on how to use your private label rights to get excellent results and make money with PLR products. This is a Resell Rights Vault video. In this video I will reveal how you can get products you can sell as your own. Okay, let's get started. PLR or private label rights can provide excellent results for your business. However, before you buy PLR content you must understand its basis and how to use it. With PLR content you can use it as is, or rewrite. There are a number of different PLR products including articles, reports, ebooks, newsletters, blog posts, and so much more. Let's look at some PLR tips that will help you get the results you want when using PLR content. 1. Rewrite PLR content. While you don't have to rewrite it, to get the maximum benefit from it you'll want to rewrite it so the content becomes original and Google or other search engines don't penalize you for duplicate content. Sometimes you will buy PLR content that is poorly written or that you don't agree with, so rewriting will ensure your traffic gets the message you want them to receive. 2. Give PLR content a new purpose. If the PLR content you purchased was an ebook you can break it down into a bunch of articles or blog posts. If it was a pack of articles you can turn it into an ebook. Bottom line is you don't have to use the material provided in the format it is provided. 3. Change graphics. Graphics are often overlooked in PLR content, yet they should always be replaced in your PLR material. It will instantly give it a makeover, appearing original and like your own material. 4. Give it away. Use your PLR as a free giveaway incentive for your visitors to sign up or purchase something else. However, before you start giving it away you had best read the fine print to make sure it is allowed. Some PLR does not allow it to be used this way. 5. Brand it. When you rewrite or restructure your PLR content make sure to rebrand with your company name, your logo, and any affiliate links. Your PLR should blend with your business niche and it should target your market. When you follow these 5 tips, your PLR content will become all it can be. Sadly, far too often PLR content is purchased but never used, or if they do use it they do it in a poor manner that is of no benefit to their business or their profits. Rather than letting your PLR content lay around doing nothing, put it to work so you can begin to enjoy the excellent results and the potential profit that is there waiting for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Check out the description below for information on how to get over 800 digital products that you can sell as your own.